rating start. I need to see if I could. Give you like a compliment or something like that. Like, how can we give it to you? Because I don't trust nobody else but you.
0607. Say you don't trust nobody but me?
Yeah.
Why, you get complaints about everybody else?
No, the other people that sold the TVs yesterday.
What's up, boss? Been waiting like 20, 25 minutes. I got 6 TVs to pick up. I just pulled up because I figured you was going to tell me to pull here anyways.
Yeah, cool. I got you.
All right. All right, but yeah, this 85-inch box is huge. You're right. Yeah, I don't know if I start. I don't know if my shoulder going. We're going to attempt it. If we can't, we ain't going to kill ourselves. We're going to attempt it though. Appreciate you. Country Club Hills to Harvey. Oh, they got an 85 out there. Roadie, you give me all the TVs, I'll take them all.
Give you a 5 rating start. I need to see if I could. Give you like a compliment or something like that. Like, how can we give it to you? Because I don't trust nobody else but you.
0607. Say you don't trust nobody but me?
Yeah.
Why, you get complaints about everybody else?
No, the other people that sold the TVs yesterday.
Can you just do me a solid?
Can
you just scan? Can you scan that one, the 85?
You said they stole the TV?
The other label on the other side. Yeah. So make sure you be here.
I mean, I bid on them, but they only. Oh shit. There you go. Well, shit. How do y'all accept the bids, or does like corporate or something accept them?
It didn't go through.
You know you get them? What was she saying? Somebody stole the TVs?
Yeah, they stole them yesterday. They had a white van. They
really?
fucking stole them. Yeah, 2 of them.
So how do how do y'all choose who accepts the orders?
It just goes by like luck of the draw, really.
Really?
Yeah.
What app were they on?
I don't even know. But they came, they loaded them up, and they said they delivered them, but they never did.
Oh wow. Y'all heard that. Only on Mark the Mentor's YouTube channel. You get them exclusives. The manager came out and said, man, I only trust you. Well, that explains what's going on there. Now it makes sense. Because last week they gave me everything. They're not gonna give you too many. That's what it is. They stole them. They stole them. Well, you know what? You guys can decline the orders too, right?
All we could do is like flag the driver. That's really all we can do.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you're all set, brother.
Appreciate you. All right. It's a lot of TVs for delivery though?
Not really.
Not really?
That was the most right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate you. No problem. Give me a sec. I gotta take a picture.
Okay.
I gotta get the address, so you gonna be in it. Okie dokie. No problem. It's 85 inches heavy. Big 85. All right. Shit. This motherfucker was heavy. It's crazy. I delivered a 75 to this place 2 weeks ago. The same place. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Just got to
Good man.
take the picture of it real quick.
That was Walmart.
Nah, I'm not with Walmart. I'm an independent contractor. All right, man. Have a good day. Yep. Yeah. I hope so too.
You must be dropping that off.
Yeah, I don't want to leave it.
Nah, you don't leave.
I know.
They gonna,
I know they're gonna take it.
unless they probably put it in their back.
They still gonna take it.
They ain't knocking on doors.
I did. I rang the doorbell, so I might have to take it back.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
They gonna take that one.
Yeah, I know. We in the hood. We on 79th and Eberhard. Just to keep you updated. I'll be forgetting to talk. 79th, that's 79th Street right there on the corner. Oh, Big Mark, we love doing the hood. Cause this is where we come from. They don't come out and get this. All right, have a good day. I was finna take it back. Cause I'm supposed to leave it, but I didn't want to leave it. Princeton Park. Your favorite, your one that talk all the talk, he ain't doing this. He ain't pulling in Princeton Park. You feel me? It's one that be talking that rah-rah, but he ain't really out here. He wasn't there. Your favorite wasn't there. On the guys. We in Princeton Park. Your favorite. I'm telling you, he ain't coming over here. I be hearing the talk. I hear the rah-rah. I hear the rah-rah. I hear the rah-rah. Hey, rah-rah. You can rah-rah, but you ain't gonna pull up, dawg. Let's see what we got here. In Princeton Park. Your favorite. All right, we're good. We in Princeton Park. Like I told you, we in the hood with it today. So you could just scan it, big dog. I'll carry it. What's the code? 0608. Got you out there. Appreciate you. There we go. That go Mario, man. say 5-star. I'll get some good content. Just a lot of waiting. Alright. Yeah, we can't come in.
I know.
I gotta take a picture by the address, that's why. Have a good day. No problem. All right, we in the Argyle Gardens, the projects. It's the Argyle Gardens, the projects. So we already done been to Princeton Park today. Now we in Argyle Gardens. I don't know what he doing over here, but we finna get it in. We in Argyle Garden. Southside in the hundreds. Yes, sir. Your favorite content creator doing this. They ain't coming out here. At least you did. If you from the crib, you know. If you know, you know.
Sean!
Shocking.
Sean! Come on, baby.
I don't want to get you in the picture, man. I gotta take it in front of the address. All right, have a good day. As far as it go. Hold on, cause I gotta scan it in front of your address. That's why they only want us to drop it right here. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Damn thing taller than me.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out.
You sure? All right. Have a good day. Yep.